Here are 4 Fortinet free products demos online that you can access for free. User and password are provided in this video too. The first product is the firewall Fortigate itself. Fortigate Firewall is one of the best firewalls in the world. It's very easy to use, to learn and to adapt, and Fortigate is one of the most popular firewalls. You can access it for free from this URL, fortigate.fortidemo.com.
This is how Fortigate Firewall demo looks like. Unfortunately, we can't make changes on this firewall. And that's normal since it's directly connected on the internet. If someone makes a change on its addresses, we may lose control. As you can see here, we have access to the dashboard of Fortigate. We can see all indicators and configurations from this screen. Here we can see interfaces configuration. From this menu called Policy and Objects, we can see all firewall policies and their configurations. Here from Policy and Objects menu, then Firewall Policy submenu, we can easily navigate between policies and change their configs if we had read write rights. This, a very interesting option that makes navigation easier in the version 7.4 of FortiOS.
The second product is FortiManager. FortiManager will give us the ability to manage all of Fortinet technologies from one single interface. It makes management easier than ever, especially in large infrastructures. You can access FortiManager from this URL, fortimanager.fortidemo.com.
In order to access FortiManager demo, we need to access fortimanager.fortidemo.com. From this portal, we need to authenticate using our free demo user. Here we can see all the atoms that are configured in our FortiManager. We will choose Fabric 7. Here we can see all the options on the navigation bar on the left, and the output of each one of them is on the right. From this option, we can see our Fortigate firewalls list. Now by selecting Branch B, we can see more information concerning its configuration. On the right, we can check the version of our FortiManager. We are on the latest version 7.4. If we scroll down, we'll see other details like session or bandwidth consumption per interface, and other cool stuff.
The third product that you will find installed online for free is FortiAnalyzer. FortiAnalyzer will give you the ability to control all the logs that are generated on your Fortinet equipments and generate reports and alerts. You can access it using this URL, fortianalyzer.fortidemo.com.
Now we need to access FortiAnalyzer.fortidemo.com. Here we use the demo free user, just like Fortigate and FortiManager. Here we will choose an atom as an example. From this screen, we have access to all the functionalities that we could find in a FortiAnalyzer. This button gives us the list of our authorized and unauthorized equipments. And here we have access to all the collected logs from our Fortinet equipments. Here are Fortigate logs. We can customize this logging table as we want.
The fourth technology that you will find for free too is FortiWEB. FortiWEB is the WAF, or Web Application Firewall, that helps in protecting your web applications. Here is its link, fortiweb.fortidemo.com.
Now we are going to access fortiweb.fortidemo.com. We also use the demo free user just like Fortigate, FortiManager, and FortiAnalyzer. This is the status dashboard. Under System, then Config, and we choose Operation in order to check the FortiWeb operation mode. Here we are in reverse proxy mode. Under Log and Report, we have attack logs and events. Here you can see some real attack logs in this environment with detailed stats.
Use demo for both user and password for each one of these resources. If you like this video, don't forget to like and follow for more content like this and for more free resources.